National Engineering Challenge Grand Finale. I'm so excited.
My heart fills with pride whenever I come on the stage.
Request you to welcome Mr. Vijay Manohar. Okay, let's do this together. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Congratulations not only for all of you. Career Connect is a unique initiative by the GATE Academy, which provides an exciting exchange of thoughts between the engineers and the industry experts. It is my question, where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? Why there? And what are your plans to reach that place? And if you have any obstacles, what are your options?
Working in the industry to have some industrial exposure and learn as much as I can with the help of my company.
So what is the difference between how doing UPS?
Machine learning is a subset of AI. Okay. AI is very big. Machine learning is not subset of
Which is what the other question said online. So could we tell us what is it not?
have a keen interest in design field.
You should have content. और content तभी आएगा जब आप पहला job जो है.
But today I have learned something. As Vijay Manohar sir said, every day is a learning experience.
You should do that, right? No matter what it is you will do it. Might be there are so many hurdles, but you want to do it, you will do it. I'm sure. I'm sure.
I'm also passionate to go there.
To have your short-term goals to commit.
Challenge. Okay, we have 5 teams. All the 5 teams, you ready?
Yes.
Yes, fantastic. All right. We will have 3 rounds: accelerators, buzzmaster, and hot shots. And ready? Northern Newtons, all the best, and we're going to.
And so 4 and 5
Wow. So come on. Awesome. Congratulations, 10 points, Ethan Edison. Congratulations. Congratulations, Northern Newtons. 10.
You can assume it as a set containing 8 elements. A set containing 8 elements can be arranged in 8 factorial ways.
Excellent.
A minute to go.
And the way it is organized, really very impressive. And